Good afternoon. This is Ben. Welcome to Dubai. Hey everyone. Thanks for coming to my grandma's 80th birthday slash reunion. To those who are here, thanks for being a part of her amazing life. Whether you're a family, a friend, or someone who knows her, we just want to dedicate this part of the video to you. I hope you like it. By the way, I'm just also going to share a verse to you. Proverb 9:11. For by me your days will be multiplied and years will be added to your life. Ma, thank you for all the support and care you have given us. We wouldn't be here without you. Thanks for everything you have done to us, even the stuff you don't have to do. I hope you live a long life and a happy life, and have many more birthdays to come. May God give you the strength of the lion and the wisdom of the wolf. We love you so much. Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I'm 15 for a moment, caught in between 10 and 20, and I'm just dreaming, counting the ways to where you are. I'm 22 for a moment, and she feels better than ever, and we're on fire, making our way back from Mars. 15, there's still time for you, time to buy and time to lose. 15, there's never a wish better than this, when you only got 100 years to live. I'm 33 for a moment, I'm still the man, but you see I'm a there, a kid on the way, babe, a family on my mind. I'm 45 for a moment, the sea is high and I'm heading through war crosses, chasing the years of my life. 15, there's still time for you, time to buy and time to lose yourself within a morning star. 15, I'm alright with you. 15, there's never a wish better than this, when you only got 100 years to live. Half time goes by, suddenly you're wise, another blink of an eye. 67 is gone, the sun is getting high, we're moving on. I'm 99 for a moment, I'm dying for just another moment, and I'm just dreaming, counting the ways to where you are. 15, there's still time for you,
Birthday niya ngayon. Sandali ah.
Hi, Grandma. How are you? Hope you're doing good. This is my fiance, Emily, soon to be wife. We just want to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Carmeli Y.
Happy birthday. Have a great day.
Hello, Ate Liway. Happy birthday. Tagal mo na pala rito kaya sana maka ano ka na rin, makapag-enjoy ng retirement mo sa Pilipinas. Marami na sa'yo naghihintay ron. Anyway, wish you the best. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo. And God bless. Bye.
I hope you have a happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. At sana, busog mo kami. Joke lang. Alam ko naman, hindi mo madadala yun dito.
Kailangan yung pantulak at saka
Okay lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Liway, happy birthday to you. I love you. Take care of yourself. And God bless you. Really, happy birthday. Sana, magandahin ko lang sugan mo at marami ka pang blessing na matatanggap. Bago, marami pang taon darating ng celebration mo. Happy birthday uli. Hello Lily, happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Wish you all the best things in life. May God bless you and take care of yourself. We love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lily!
Happy birthday, amiga. God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Ate Lily! God bless!
Happy birthday, Lily. Take your time for the Lord.
Happy birthday, Lily!
Happy birthday, Lily.
Happy birthday, Lily! God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lily. Enjoy your vacation.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow.
Happy birthday, Maring Liway.
Hello, Mami! Kumusta po kayo? Mami, happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday to you. We wish you all the best, good health, and happiness in your life po. Mabuhay po kayo hanggat gusto nyo pong mabuhay. By the way po, Mami, salamat din dahil hanggang ngayon po ay hindi nyo po kami nakakalimutan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa guidance, lalong-lalo na po sa pagpapalaki po din nyo sa napakabait po naming tatay. Okay, I love you, we love you. Have a great day today and enjoy your celebration po. Ingat po kayo lagi and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday po ulit, Mami. Ingat!
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May paano ka ako sa papaya board.
Hello, Mare. Kumusta ka na? Happy birthday, ha? Balita ko, uuwi ka na sa Pilipinas. Dito ka magse-celebrate ng birthday mo. welcome na welcome ka dito. Sana makabalik ka ng sa madaling panahon at payagan ka ng doktor mo na makauwi ng Pilipinas para mag-banding-banding tayo, di ba? Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na ba? Sana magpagaling ka para makauwi ka ng Pilipinas kagad. Haantayin ka namin dito, ha? Alam mo, dito sa atin, may bagyo. Binabaha tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Ingat ka. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Magpagaling ka. Magpalakas ka. Para pagdating mo dito sa Pilipinas, masaya ka at malakas ka. Ang hangad ko sa'yo, sana'y humaba pa ang buhay mo. Lumawig pa ang iyong edad, para katulad ko. At pagkita-kita tayo dito. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Antayin ka namin dito. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nonali Y. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.